We have some important medical news tonight. Cancer patients here in New South Wales who are suffering through chemotherapy will be the first in the world to trial a medicinal cannabis capsule to prevent side effects like nausea and vomiting. Catalina Flores has the story.
21-year-old Matilda Cabani-Dane has put her studies on hold as she undergoes her 16th week of chemotherapy for a rare soft tissue cancer.
It was a bit of a shock at first because I thought that my hair would just fall out and I'd feel a bit sick. But yeah, it's very different to how most people, I think, perceive cancer treatment.
She's struggling with the side effects because current anti-nausea medication isn't working.
I get very tired and, yeah, I get really sick. It's getting a bit harder to bounce back now.
Matilda wants to be selected for one of the 80 spots in a world-first medicinal cannabis trial preventing nausea and vomiting.
And I think this gives hope that we can improve their suffering and relieve symptoms, but we actually need to prove it works before it's widely available.
If successful, the $3 million trial of the capsule could be expanded to a further 250 patients. Patients welcome any attempt to alleviate their uncomfortable side effects from chemotherapy treatment, but the first results from the clinical trial won't be known until 2018, prompting calls to allow immediate relief.
We're not opposed to the clinical trials. It's always good to add to the sum total of knowledge, but it should not be an excuse for inaction.
We know the best thing in the end for our people is to have drugs that doctors will use and that can be prescribed widely.
Interested patients should get in touch with their oncologist.
It is what it is. I can't really change it, but I can help the situation.
Catalina Flores, 10 Eyewitness News.